Today, each of us carries the world in our pocket. We have access to news, creative content, and social media with the touch of our finger. Never before in history has the world been so connected. Students need to understand how their posts, reviews, and photos can affect their life now and in the future. Teaching digital citizenship helps to ensure that students think critically, behave safely, participate responsibly, and maintain their health and wellness in a digital world. In order to be a responsible digital citizen, there are 3 things to remember. Respect yourself and others. Treat others the way you would want to be treated, both online and in person. If you wouldn't say it to someone's face, don't post it online. Digital citizens should also recognize that information they share through the internet is often very difficult or impossible to delete. Employers often do background checks of applicants' social media to get a better idea of who they are as individuals. When communicating with their friends, students should be conscious of this and not share information they would not want to be seen publicly. Educate yourself and others. Know the websites you visit and the attachments you click on. This means that you understand the need for strong passwords and for keeping those confidential. It also may include developing safe practices, like downloading from reputable sites only. Finally, protecting yourself and others. When students encounter issues of concern online, they need to take the responsibility to report these to someone in authority, like a parent, teacher, or even the police. Some of these issues could include cyberbullying or posting of inappropriate content. Students also have the responsibility to provide support to others and to help maintain digital equipment. Students must know the law concerning digital content. Parents can get involved in helping students become good citizens too. Talking to your child about websites that are appropriate, limiting the amount of time that students spend on devices, and having students sign a family device agreement are all great ways for parents to set high expectations for students to use these devices at home. Teachers and parents, along with students, can work together to help everyone understand the benefits and dangers of internet use. When everyone works together to respect, educate, and protect each other when using digital tools, the internet can be a place of learning and enjoyment.